You are going to love 2016 Silverado 3500 HD. Pros, everything. Cons, nothing. And is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power sunroof, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, appearance package, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.